Hello. Once you are logged in to Google Analytics, you should see this page. Click on the sign up button to begin. Select website here because that's what we are tracking. Enter your account name that you would like. The website name and the URL of your website. Select the industry that you are in. And you can enter your time zone here. For me, it will be Singapore. And I would like to uncheck all these as well. Now let's get the tracking ID. Accept the Google Terms and Service Agreement. And you have successfully created an account for your blog. This is your tracking ID and this is your tracking code. Depending on how you would want to integrate Google Analytics to your website, you will need either one of these. For us, let us go back to our website and select plugins. Just like the theme, click on Add New to look for new plugins. In terms of activation, installation, and viewing plugin, it works similar to a theme. Now, there are many plugins out there for you to choose from. Whenever you need to have a certain feature on your website, feel free to search for a plugin that can help you to achieve that. Let's search for Google Analytics now. As you can see, even for Google Analytics by itself, there are numerous plugins that we can choose from. Select one that you would like to use and install it. For me, I think this looks good with the ratings and the download count, and I will try this. For plugins and themes, you might have to try a few before deciding on which suits your website best. Let's go ahead and install this plugin. Let's activate the plugin here. Here, you can see that the new plugin has been installed and activated. Now, we will need to configure it. Go to Settings and look for NK Google Analytics. One thing to note here is that different plugins might have their settings located at different places in your admin menu. It all depends on how the plugin developers made them to be. Alright, let's dive straight into configure Google Analytics. To integrate our Analytics account with our website, we can either use the tracking ID or paste the tracking code here. Let's use the tracking ID now. Go back to your Analytics account, copy your tracking ID, and paste it over here. You can change these settings if you want to as well, and hit save. Okay, let's begin to test if our integration is working right now. Go back to your Analytics account and go to reporting here. Here, you can see all this data that you could potentially track with Google Analytics. For this part, I will not be covering it in this course, and you can look for resources online or play around with it to see how you can use it. Let's go to real time and select overview. On this page, you will see the real-time data of anyone that is visiting your website. For now, there are no visitors on our website currently. Let's use the incognito mode and go to our website. Once the page has loaded, let's go back. And you can see that now we have one active user on our website.